Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ow.
What happened? Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What does this? What does detention mean?
Sorry?
Detention. What is this?
Detention. It's a kind of punishment.
Yeah. What kind of?
Where you need to write. If you've done whatever wrong you have done, you have to write it. How many ever times the teacher or whoever has punished you have told you to write. That is detention.
Or maybe at a cafeteria.
Sorry.
Good morning, ma'am. Cafeteria.
Good morning. Yes. Yes, Ridan.
Like you said, maybe 500 times.
Yes. I have told her if she misses her speaking class, she will have to write it 100 times that I will not miss my reading class,
Speaking class.
speaking class. But she said yesterday. Today, whoever has not finished their speaking, Hindi speaking, will do it. Will finish it today. So tomorrow, we can have more fun. Okay.
And whoever doesn't come today, they'll get detention.
Yes, they will get detention. They will have to write 100 times. Yes,
My
Veer Mundra.
hand will be red by now. I want to show you something.
Sure.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Ridan.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Not
morning.
100 times, 500 times.
Okay, 500. What is that, Veer?
Trophy.
What trophy is it? Performer. What have you performed? Storytelling. Wow, nice. Very good. Very good. Ridan is crying because he did not get one.
Trophy. I'll, I will do skating competition
Okay, fine.
and come in state level.
Okay. Yes, Nivi.
Ma'am, what are we going to do today?
We are going to do writing.
What kind?
I know it is a bit boring, but we have to finish this before you go for Diwali.
Yes. And ma'am,
Yes.
you're lucky. You don't even have to write. You just have to present your screen.
But I have already written no before I present it to you. This is all I have done.
Well, let's see about lucky. But you just have to write. But you just have to click. We have to write real letters.
Okay. Yes, Janvi.
It's English class. And just tell me which
Yes,
notebook.
I know it is English class. Okay, children, take out your English notebooks, everyone. English notebooks, pencil erasers.
It's your notebook. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vivi.
Why is your notebook white?
because there was too much light when I took the picture.
Okay. Literature.
Sorry?
English literature we want to take.
What you want to say, Veer? I am not getting it.
We want to take English literature.
English. Where Hindi? How will I do Hindi? Okay.
English
English notebook.
literature.
Yes, English literature. Yes. Okay. Write down the, write in the index 12th. It's a 12th chapter, our tree. And write today's date also in the index. When you are done, just show me your thumbs up. Everyone finish writing in the index? Yes, Dave?
Done.
Okay. You can just show me your thumbs up. No need to raise your hand. Okay. Yes, Nivi.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, no need to raise your hand. You can just show me your thumbs up. Okay. Now this is a nice one. Okay. So now write down the heading our tree. And now you have to write even sentences for the word meanings. Yes, Fiona?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. So what are you supposed to do over here? You are supposed to write the sentence. So now ripe. Ripe means fully grown. For this, I will give you an example. Okay. And wait for a minute. So I have typed in the chat box the sentence, the mango is ripe. Now you are also going to write sentence. I have opened the chat box for everyone. You can write the correct sentence over here. You can write the sentences and I will correct you. Okay. Then there is hurry. Hurry is to be quick. So you have to write down the sentences for hurry. Hurry, let's go. Like that. Or maybe hurry up. We are getting late. Hurry, the bus has come. Okay.
Ma'am, please wait.
1 minute. I have written down the sentence for hurry also. Hurry. Then there is crawl. Crawl means to move on knees. So reptiles, they crawl. Even small babies, they crawl. You can say the ant is crawling on the floor. Then the fourth one is plenty. Plenty means too much, a lot. So the meaning of the sentence for plenty would be, I have plenty of chocolates. Then there is pretty. Pretty means nice, but mostly it is used for girls. So we can write, she has a pretty dress. Oh, sorry. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. She has a pretty dress. So write down the sentences on the next line. First write the word, then the meaning, and in the next line you have to write the sentence. Yes? Are you all able to understand? Let me know when you finish. Yes, who has raised the hand?
Me, Pahil.
Yes, Pahel.
We have to write this word meanings.
Yes, you are supposed to write the word meanings and then you are supposed to write the sentence which I have written in the chat box.
मैम
Yes.
पहले हमें जो आपने स्क्रीन पे जितना है वो लिखना है या आपने जो चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है वो लिखना है
पहले ये वर्ड मीनिंग्स लिखो, उसके नीचे सेंटेंस लिखो. ओके? वर्ड मीनिंग्स लिखो, फिर चैट बॉक्स में उसी का सेंटेंस दिया है वो वर्ड का, वो सेंटेंस उसके नीचे लिखो. अंडरस्टूड? क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
नीचे लिखने पे
Okay, wait, let me ask everyone. Okay, who has written this? 1 minute, wait.
मैं लेट हो गया था मैं
Okay, wait. Janvi, please wait. I have stopped presenting. Please wait. I'm trying to explain one child. Okay? Wait. Okay. Ridan, have you written the way I have told? Ridan?
Ma'am, yes, I leave the gap for sentences.
So can you show it so that Jivansh can see? Jivansh, see how Ridan has written it. Okay, first write the word meanings and leave the space for sentence. Okay? जैसे मैंने लिखा है ना यहाँ पे वैसे लिखो. ओके जीवांश, तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस लिखना है जो मैंने चैट बॉक्स में लिखा हुआ है. Okay. Okay. Yes, Rajveer. Yes. Yes. Correct. Yes, Janvi.
हेलो
Look,
मैम.
ma'am. Look, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
ये अपने चैट बॉक्स में द मैंगो इज राइप हुरी इज द बस इज कम, ये फर्स्ट वर्ड्स में लिखना है हुरी में.
हुरी नहीं है, हरी है. वो सेकंड सेकंड वर्ड है ना, हरी. बी क्विक. उसके नीचे उसका सेंटेंस लिखना है. हरी द बस हैज कम. सारे वर्ड मीनिंग्स के नीचे उसका सेंटेंस लिखना है. सेंटेंस बना के. राइप
ओके.
के नीचे राइप का सेंटेंस, मैंगो इज राइप. हरी के नीचे हरी का सेंटेंस, हरी द बस हैज कम. क्रॉल के नीचे क्रॉल का सेंटेंस, द एंट इज क्रॉलिंग. प्लेंटी के नीचे प्लेंटी का सेंटेंस, आई हैव प्लेंटी चॉकलेट्स. प्रिटी के नीचे प्रिटी का सेंटेंस. यस नीवी.
Ma'am, I can't see the sentences.
It's in the chat box, beta.
But do
And
I have
even
to
if
keep
you
on
make your own
changing
sentence, it is okay. Okay? You can make your own
लाइक
sentence. Okay, Janvi, turn off your microphone, please. Children, I have just given an example. You can write your own sentence. You can write the same sentence also. You can write your own sentence also. Okay? Yes, Fiona.
Done.
Okay. Yes, Dave.
Done.
Okay. Yes, Krishan.
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Ma'am, go to washroom.
Go quickly and come back. Okay, should we go to the next one? Has everyone finished with the word meanings and sentences?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, Rajveer, keep it down. I will not be able to see it properly because I am presenting my screen. You can take a picture and send it, okay? Okay. Okay. Now take the next page and write the question answers.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Write fast, Vihan. Yes, Veer Patel. Vihan, have you finished?
No, no, ma'am. अभी मेरा बारी.
Write fast. Yes, Veer Patel.
Ma'am.
Okay. Good. Yes, Nivi.
Done.
Okay. Okay, Vihan, we can't wait so much. Have you finished or no?
Ma'am, last two sentences.
It's okay now. Now I will send it that time you write it because everybody has finished it, Vihan. Okay. Write question answers. Janvi, turn on the microphone.
मैम मुझे क्या वो सर्दी और खांसी हो रही ना इसीलिए.
Okay, no problem. But then everybody has finished, beta. Janvi, can you turn on the microphone?
मैम जानवी का टर्न ऑफ माइक्रोफोन है.
मैं
उसका-
टर्न ऑन करने की बात कर रही हूँ मैम. मुझे बात करनी थी. मुझे ये कहना था कि आप मत लिखो, उसको लिखने दो.
मैं नहीं लिख रही हूँ मैम, वो उससे दूसरी नोट में लिख ली है, इंग्लिश की सब्जेक्ट की बुक में नहीं लिख रही है.
बट लेकिन फिर भी मैं कब से देख रही हूँ आप ही लिख रहे हो, इसलिए आई एम टेलिंग. अगर उसको प्रैक्टिस नहीं मिलेगी जब स्कूल स्टार्ट होगी तो फिर कौन लिखेगा मैम.
वो ही लिख रही है मैम, मैं तो उसको हेडिंग मार दी इंग्लिश की बुक में.
ओके. Okay, children, write the heading question and answers. Your first question is, where does the little bird see the fruit? Answer is, the little bird saw the fruit on the tree. Children, write in nice handwriting, okay? Your second question is, what does the bird do? Answer is, the bird eats berries. The third question is, what happens to the seed which falls down? Answer is, it grows into the tree. When the seed falls down on the ground and then it rains and then it gets sunlight, what happens? It grows into a tree.
Ma'am, please wait.
I'm waiting, I'm just explaining.
Ma'am, I can go for a washroom.
Quickly go and come back. Okay, children, stop writing, everyone. I'm going to send this to you. Whoever is finished, it is okay. I'm going to send this to you. This last question you are supposed to answer on your own. Where do birds live? You have to give your own answer. Okay. For the last question, you are supposed to give your own answer. And I'm going to send this to you. Okay. Yes, Veer Patel?
Then it is last class.
After this also there is general awareness class. Okay. Okay, so children, you can take a break and come back. Take a quick break and come back.
Bye, ma'am.